Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Let's take a look at what the Weather Prediction Center is telling us as far as precipitation expectations over the next 7 days. Looking at northeast Florida, see this little bullseye right here, and it's telling us that most of the precipitation is going to be over this northeast and east central Florida area. That's telling us that the afternoon and evening thunderstorms are likely to be pushing towards the east coast or gathering in our region as we go through the next several days and towards the end of the week and into the weekend. Mornings are going to start off largely sunny, however. Plenty of patchy cloud from time to time developing throughout the morning. Then storms will creep in the afternoon, becoming more numerous as the afternoon goes on. A little bit better chances of seeing storms every day out here on the west side of the county, but the storms will be trying to push towards the beaches. So some days the beaches may miss it. Other days the beaches may get a storm as well. The best chances west of Bunnell, a little bit lesser chance, but still pretty decent chances over here in Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, Marineland, and the Hammock area. You're going to see a pretty good chance of afternoon and evening storms as well as we go through the next several days. But again, the best chances remaining over Daytona North, Andalusia, and regions on the west side of the county. So taking a quick look at the overview, good chance of afternoon and evening storms each day. Storms will become more numerous than as of late. The other key thing to be aware of is high heat indexes are expected as we go through the remainder of the week, and that's what the air actually feels like, not the actual temperature, but it's important because that's what your body's going to be responding to. And on any given day, storms will carry the risk of frequent lightning, squally winds, torrential downpour, and hail. So taking a look at our forecast as we go through the rest of this week, sunny starts in the morning, then afternoon and evening storms likely each day. Heat index readings 100 to 105 degrees, so make sure you're staying hydrated. High temperature near 90 degrees, low temperatures in mid-70s at night as those storms fade. And going into the weekend, better chance of afternoon and evening storms the way things look right now. Heat index values, however, may exceed 105 degrees. So we're going to kind of watch that, our air feeling, what the air feels like is going to feel even hotter towards the weekend than it did during the week. So again, stay hydrated if you're going to be going outside doing anything. Temperatures getting up to near 90 for highs, lows in the mid-70s. At the beaches, not bad at the beach. Surf 2 feet, surf temperature, nice balmy 80 degrees. Low risk of rip currents. Watch out for the thunderstorms, folks, but also make sure you get your sunblock on as the UV index is extreme. So remember, we are in hurricane season. For the latest preparedness information, if you don't have a hurricane plan, this is the time to do it. FlaglerCounty.org/emergency. It's important to know you're a hurricane evacuation zone. Here's a quick look at where they are. You can go to FlaglerCounty.org/emergency to get a more detailed look at the hurricane evacuation zones. You can even put in your own address to see if you're in one. If you are in a hurricane evacuation zone, you need to plan accordingly. So looking at the tropics, nothing out there of any concern at this point in time. So remember, weather is always changing. Go to FlaglerCounty.org, set your mouse over webcams of weather, get the latest from the National Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you are there so you get notified of any of the strong or severe storms that may develop. And also, Weather Radio, too, is an old school technology, but great resource to stay up on what's going on with our local weather. Keep up on the tropics by going to hurricanes.gov. You can catch us on Spectrum at channel 492. You can find us on YouTube by going to YouTube, typing in Flagler County. That's going to wrap things up from the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely day.